kids section. Lots and lots and lots of teddies. You got football. A cute husky and some pigs and dinosaurs. Guys, a giant panda. There are lots and lots of teddies here and some bed sheets. You can get dinosaur bed sheets, more dinosaur bed sheets, animal bed sheets, and then you could get a hot balloon teddy. You get just a normal pink one, a hot one. It's so nice. Guys, actually I had one just like this in my room before and it looked so nice. Guys, over here there are like mini cups you can play with, cooking stuff. It's so nice here. And then these shapes.
Over here we have a circus tent which is looks really fun. Then we have a dart game. Ooh. And over here we have like a round tent which I'm sure would be really fun in the garden. And we have so many different teddies. We have a white whale, we have a camel, and we have these little sand toys. And
these are what the games look like.
Yep. And here are some more sand toys and a dolphin. And yeah.
So guys, here are all the rugs. They are so fluffy. Here are the blues, and these are so nice. Like they're like little bits, but they're so nice and super duper fluffy. And there are different colors in these. And look at these ones, all different designs. This one's nice. This one's nice as well. All of these are so nice. These are different rugs. This one's cool. So guys, over here you can get lots of candles. Guys, look how many candles there are. There are these types. There are lemon citrus ones. There are plain vanilla ones. I love vanilla. And comment down below what candle scent do you guys like? I like vanilla a lot.
So guys, we have just come from Ikea and we are exhausted. So as you can see, we have brought a lot of stuff. And my room actually has a flag theme, as you can tell. Yeah. So let's start the haul. Over here I have a floating shelf. I have this one and the same exact one right there. And then I have a way bigger one. I thought that would be a nice variety. I'm going to put them just beside my bed, like this. Yep. Yeah. I think that they'll look really good. So next up is basically used to be for Trisha, a plant pot, but she decided she wanted to use this as a makeup brush, so she'll put all her makeup brushes inside this and it'll look cute. Here I have some vanilla candles. Me and Kitty's favourite flavour is vanilla. Yeah, especially nice. It's amazing. And then here we have these spot clips, which Trisha was planning to draw on, like, she wants to draw things and then she could put it on in her room. So some spot clips. Over here I have 2 packs of flowers and like false plants. These are artificial plants. I have these purple flowers with these really cute leaves and they have white pots. And then I have these succulents and they have these white pots too. And then next up are these photo frames, and Trisha was actually planning to take a photo of us both and put it inside these, and then she could put this in her room. Over here I got this set of 3 flowers, and I bought these plant pots separately. They are artificial as well. They come in this black pot, but I got this really cute little white plain pot with these stripes on them. And yeah, they have like leaves on them, and they're like pink and white. And next up we have something similar to that, but a little different. These are all just like these leaf plants. As you can see, they're all green, and these are just like the artificial plants, and the same pots with some stripes on them. And these actually look so cute. You can even put these in the bathroom, but Trisha decided she could put these on the floating shelves. Over here I have this water bottle. It isn't really for my room, but I just needed a water bottle for when I go to bed at night time. And then next we have these candles. So there's 2 of each. It is strawberry and raspberry and apple flavored. And she is obsessed with candles. As you can see, she already bought a 30 pack of vanilla and these big ones. So she will put candles in her room. Yeah, and here I have this really cute white jug, and I put these artificial flowers, which I made this like little set of flowers, and it looks really cute. And last but not least, we have a big frame which can hold 8 pictures. And Trisha, where are you gonna put this? I have no idea. Well, I have an idea. What is it? I think you should put this on top of your bed, so you can put all these photos inside and it will look like a nice collage. I think that would look good. Yeah, I might consider doing that. Oh no! Last but not least, oh, we forgot about my umbrella. When I go to school, since I bought a new house, I need just in case it rains, I need an umbrella. So that's it, guys. This is our haul, and we didn't get most of it, but we did like some more stuff. But we're gonna order it online for Trisha's new bedroom. I am gonna get a bed, a wardrobe, and a dresser and a mirror, but they would not fit inside the car, so I'm going to order them all online. And make sure you guys stay tuned for her room transformation. I'm going to be making a video on that so you can see all the stuff we bought, and it's all going to be in Trisha's room. So guys, I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you ever want to go Ikea after the lockdown, then you should definitely go early. We woke up at 8:30, and then we reached at Nottingham Ikea at 9:30, and then when we reached there, it was closed. Yeah, so we went to McDonald's and we ate breakfast. It was very yummy. Yeah. then we went back to Ikea, but on the way we found this really nice truck which was just parked on the motorway and had so many plants there. It was selling flowers, which was so nice. It was like nice, like real flowers, and they were like super nice. And there was even an orange plant, which is my favorite fruit. And then after we saw all those plants, we couldn't fit any of them in the car because the ones we liked were too tall. So then we thought we'd come back next time. And then we went to Ikea, and then there were a bit of people queuing up, but there weren't a lot. And when we went to Ikea, we bought all of this. So this is what we bought. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. As I've said earlier on in the video, comment down below your favorite scent of candles. What is your favorite scent of candles? Mine and Trisha's is vanilla. And comment down below what your favorite is, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stop. If you go out and you wear that during the lockdown, then don't forget to wear a mask, gloves, and use hand sanitizer frequently so you don't get any germs. Okay, love you all. Bye.